Good evening, Zimbabwe. Chiwenga was born of the storm, carved by the same fire that forged our ancestors' defiance. Chiwenga's footsteps echo through the valleys of our struggle, carrying the heartbeat of a people unbroken. Sarabana mashukubuda pangwa ire, aiwa hatinyatsooneka kunzi support iri kuona VP Constantine Chiwenga pangwa ine zanovevari. Pangwa ine vanhu havanyatsokuona a clear cut difference, crystal clear difference iripo between the two leaders nyika yeZimbabwe vachisapota VP Constantine Chiwenga semunhu anoonekwa kunzi maambitions ake nemaactions ake ane future yemaZimbabweans. At large, remember subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. Kirina mjati anodanyura chiti masonabzo mnangagwa was chosen, chains over courage, serving foreign masters well, our nation bleeds. ED batters the soul of Zimbabwe for silver that will never buy back dignity. The people are awake now. They are rising and beating the drums of liberation thunder again. From every village to every city, the cry is one Zimbabwe shall rise, and the sellouts shall fall. Hashtag ED must go. Hashtag Zimbabwe first. Tomash Kwantoko pana Kirina mjati aiwachiti zvigananda zvauraya nyika yeZimbabwe yaparara. Panguva ino VP Constantine Chiwenga must be given support. Panguva ino kuti tikwanise kuswipa nekuwipa out zvigananda. Pinda comment section medu zofungura imo tudipa pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.